Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super soft and simple fluffy blanket. I had some leftover yarn, so I decided to make this little guy. I'll link the video in the description that I used to make it. And I have only used one stitch to make this blanket. Let's get into it. For this, I'm going to use these two colors from Knitcraft, Plushy Pals, and a 6mm hook. Now we are going to yarn over the fingers to make a slip knot. Insert your hook, pull up the back loop, and pull it tight. Now we are going to make the foundation chain. So yarn over the hook, and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. This foundation chain would be the length of our blanket. I didn't count the chains, how many chains I made. But once I have the foundation chain and it's 60 inches long, my blanket is 60 by 50, which is the medium size or a size of a throw. So I put that foundation chain against that throw that I wanted the length to be. Make your foundation chain up to the desired length that you would want your blanket to be. Once you complete your foundation chain up to your desired length, then do 2 extra chains at the end. Here I'm going to chain 20 to make a smaller sample to show you how I made this blanket. Now skip the 2 chains. So into the 3rd chain from the hook, we are going to do 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So now we are going to do 1/2 double crochet into every stitch around. Chain 2 in the beginning is counted as our first half double crochet, and we are going to do half double crochet into every stitch around. Half double crochets works best with this fluffy yarn because at the end then you won't be able to see any gaps. And with double crochets I was able to see the gaps, which didn't look nice. Do 1/2 double crochet into every stitch around, and I'll see you at the end. At the end of this round, 1/2 double crochet into the last stitch. Now we are going to chain 2, turn your work, and again we are going to do 1/2 double crochet, but we will work into these gaps because it's hard to see the chains at the top. So 1/2 double crochet into these gaps. You can just feel the gap and do 1/2 double crochet there. And 1/2 double crochet into every stitch around. So the 1/2 double crochet into the next gap, and 1/2 double crochet into every stitch. I'm going to do 2 rows of each color, so at the end of this row I'll show you how to change the color. At the end of this round, we are going to finish the last stitch with a new color yarn. So we are going to do 1/2 double crochet into this last gap. This is the 2 chains from the start. So we are going to do 1/2 double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into this gap, yarn over, pull through. So when you have 3 loops on the hook, I want you to drop this yarn and pick up the new color. And we are going to pull through with this new color. Pull through all 3 loops. We are going to work over this tail, so we don't have to weave the ends. Chain 2 as normal. Turn your work. This is again a simple round of 1/2 double crochet into every gap. And we will work over the tail, so we don't have to weave the ends. One-half double crochet into every stitch. At the end of this round, do 1/2 double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 2. Turn your work. And 1/2 double crochet into every stitch around. And at the end of this round, I'll show you again how to change the color. At the end of this round, we are going to change the color again. So we are going to do 1/2 double crochet into the last stitch. And through these 3 loops, we are going to drop this yarn and pick up the same color that we left earlier and pull through the same color. And we will work in continuation, so we don't have to weave the ends by cutting the yarn and adding like a new color again and again. And we will work this purple color. Chain 2. Turn your work. And 1/2 double crochet into every stitch around. From now on, it's a repeat pattern. 2 rows of each color. Do as many rows as you want until you get your desired size. I have done 50 inches, so my blanket is 60 by 50. You can measure it as you go along. Finish your blanket and I'll show you how to make a border. I did few more rows to show you how it looks like. When we do our border, so we are going to hide this side by working over it. I'll finish my blanket and I'll show you how to do the border. And for our border, we will work on the top of this yarn so it will hide it. Let's do the last stitch together. And we are going to change the color at this point. I'm going to do the border with my off-white color. Now, chain 2. This chain 2 will form a corner. We are going to do 1 single crochet into this space. In the first row, we did a corner and the first single crochet, and into the second row, we are going to do another single crochet. We did the rows of half double crochet, so in every row we will do 1 single crochet. You don't have to go and find the chains, you can just go work in any space. And if you feel like there should be 2 single crochets or is it too far apart, you can do 2 single crochets. I'm going to do 1 single crochet for every row. Now we have reached our corner again. 1 single crochet into this space, chain 2 to form a corner, 1 single crochet into the same space again. We will continue to do 1 single crochet and we will do all the corners of the blanket, and I will meet you at the end. Border is optional, you can do 1 round, but I'm going to do 2 rounds. 1 round of this color and 1 round of the other color. This looks perfectly fine. If you want to leave it as it is, it's up to you. At the end, we will do the last single crochet. And we are going to slip stitch into the corner space. We are going to drop this yarn and pick up the next color. And do a single crochet with this, chain 2, again to form a corner. And in the same space, we are going to single crochet into all these spaces. We are going to cut this yarn and we will work over this. Single crochet into every space like we did in the last round, working over our tail. At this point, I also like to add some glue so it doesn't come out, and that's completely optional. I'll place it over there and I will do single crochets on the top of it. At the corner of this blanket, we are again going to make a corner. So single crochet and 1 single crochet into the corner, chain 2 and 1 single crochet into the same corner. This is how we will make the corner for round 2. Now single crochet all the way across and chaining 2 at the corners. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the last stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull it through. Our blanket is complete. I hope you like it and enjoy making this blanket and enjoy watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment below.